Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network tutorial. In this video, we are going to explore Salesforce Career Marketplace. So this platform is made up of Salesforce expertise, connect with employer and browse resources to grow your career. So this platform also provides a path to learn in-demand skills, connect with experts and transform our career with Salesforce. So here there are three main areas to consider in developing our career plan. So that is learning, earning and connecting. So let's see one by one. So it is a part of our skill set that we need to acquire. And Salesforce is providing a platform where we can learn them. Earning means credentials we need for the role and can demonstrate our skills to the employers. Connecting are the ways to connect and network with others in this field. Next, we are seeing to plan our career. We had three simple steps to go with. So, discover, plan, and act. So, discover is to get to know yourself, including your motivations, experiences you want, skills to build, and career goals to achieve. Research on the same and explore opportunities and career paths that interest you and that may not have considered before. Next, we are seeing plan. It identifies a goal and any skill you need to build or to reach that goal. Lay out a plan of how you will achieve that goal. Then finally, we have to act on this. So we have to take a action on our plan, identify how to get connected to employers and mentors that can help us to guide our path. Also prepare our resume and social media presence to land that dream job. So Salesforce Trailhead is providing a lot many content to go with and start our career in Salesforce ecosystem. So let's see. So let's log into our Trailhead account. So by providing the URL trailhead.salesforce.com, it is opening the home page of Trailhead. So then after we need to log in. So here at the right side we are seeing the login option. So login, under that there is products, Salesforce, Marketing Cloud, experiences. So below this we are seeing the Trailhead. Let's click on this. So here we are getting different options to get login. So either we can log in with Google, Salesforce, MuleSoft, Tableau. So here I am going with Salesforce account. So here I am providing the Salesforce account username and password. Hit the login button. So we had successfully landed to our Trailhead home page. So here we are seeing Trailhead, today, learn, community, career growth. Under this we are seeing two sections, build your Salesforce career and career resources. So for now I am going with this one, Trailblazer Career Marketplace. So it's showcase our Salesforce expertise, connect with employers and browse resources to grow our career. So let's click on this. So here we are seeing a pop-up like welcome to our Trailblazer Career Marketplace. Trailblazer Career Marketplace is the go-to destination to connect with employers in the Salesforce ecosystem and discover your next opportunity. So let's get started by setting up career mode where you can add your Salesforce experience, project, video introduction and many more in view of your Trailblazer profile that is only visible to the employer in the Trailblazer Career Marketplace. So let's click on Setup Career Mode. So here it is prompting us for basic information. So here we have to go with our profile picture or photo, and also there is a option like hide my profile picture. Also you can hide your photo as well. Then we have to provide our first name, last name, hide my name. So it is again giving the probability to hide the name as well. Then we have to provide the title, LinkedIn URL and Twitter URL, and desired job location. So for which location you are searching for job, so here you have to put. And finally you have to check either if you are searching for remote work or open to relocate. So if that is the situation, then we have to check these check boxes. And finally we need to click on save and continue. So for now I am not going to enter these all details here, so click on cancel. So here I am getting a option like discover your next opportunity. So by the location, by the radius, or for the role, for which role you are searching the job, like administrator, architect, business operation, consultant, data analyst, developer, educator, executive, marketer, product manager, sales representative, service agent, student, UX designer. So for which role you are searching the job, we need to provide these information here and click on search job. Next, we are seeing the recommended learning platforms. So Trailblazer Career Marketplace quick look. So here if I am clicking on this, so it is redirecting to a module. So that module is having some set of modules that we have to complete. Next, we are seeing the career development planning module. So these are all the modules for getting the job in the Salesforce ecosystem. Module for interview strategies. So prepare for your interview through research and practice. Next, project, build your personal portfolio on the Salesforce. Next, career resources. So meet workforce development organization, discover career tips and advice from trailblazers. So these blogs are going to help us to get the job or get the connection in the Salesforce ecosystem. Explore Salesforce career market trends. So here we are getting a lot more. We can go with the particular links, and we are getting a lot of information. So in this video we had seen the career marketplace in Salesforce Trailhead. Thank you.